Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be organizing a few things in my refrigerator. So yeah, if you wanna watch, if you're interested, it's not much, but it's something. So I just decided to pick up the camera and start recording. And so let's get right into it. All right, so I got to start. I washed and dried these two little bins here. So I'm about to start cleaning them up. So, let me turn them around. I'm gonna start with the drinks because that's easier. She's so cute. Look guys, so that's my organized bin. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. So I decided to put fruit and yogurt in there. I got my apples and cuties. I don't know if I like that right now or not. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm done with the fruit snacks. All I got left is the candy bowl. That's all I got. I might get more bins. I don't know. We'll see how it goes with this, these two. And yeah, guys, my pantry is not organized at all. But we'll get there. We shall get there. I just want to thank y'all. So much for tuning into this video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and all that good stuff. I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.